welcome to Nailverse. I am so excited to have you watching my video, and I hope you're having a great day and continue to have a great day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content for beginners, because I am here to help you make that journey so much easier. Today I'm going to be showing you the products that I purchased and that I used when doing a set of nails. The first thing that I want to show you is the Wubefine Professional Acrylic Nail Kit, and I am not a huge fan of kits, I've noticed, because it does come with small quantity, so I did end up upping purchases instead of using what came in this box. But it is very helpful for beginners just so you can get an idea of all the products that you need. But again, personally, I probably would have been better off to just buy the things separately. But I am going to show you what it all comes with. It comes with a 100 pack of white nails and a 100 pack of clear nails, and I'm not a huge fan of white nails because I do like to see the color behind the nails, so I did use the clear instead. It came with 3 100 grit nail files that I still do use. It did not come with a buffer, so you do need to purchase that outside because buffers are extremely helpful. It also came with a 2-pack of jewels, and these jewels are very, very pretty. It also came with a cuticle pusher, and these are the tweezers that are used to apply the jewels. It also came with sticks to push back cuticles and clean underneath your nails, and it did come with 2 brushes. I will show you the other brush here in just a moment. It did come with a Dappin' dish. This is not the Dappin' dish that it came from. I did go and purchase the other one because I threw out my other one, but it's pretty small, and Dappin' dishes, if you aren't familiar, are used to put monomer in. The one I purchased did come with 2. I used one for monomer and one for brush cleaner. It came with 12 glitters, and I'm only showing you 3, but they are very, very pretty, and I love them so much. It came with a small amount of monomer, and you do use quite a bit of monomer if you're doing a full set, so you definitely will need some more monomer if you're planning on doing more than like 5. The only really issue that I had with this was how small these acrylic powders were, and it did come with 3 clear, white, and pink, but I do use clear more than I use any of the other ones, so when I upped it, I did buy more clear. Now, the pink one that it came with was not very good. You could not even tell that it was pink, so I didn't use that one. Here's the brush that it came with, which was super duper small compared to my number 8 brush, which is not helpful at all. As a beginner, I think it's better that you actually have a bigger brush, that way you're not having to do so many small beads, and this is it compared to my brush. It also did come with a nail cleaner and toe separators. It also came with nail glue, which I don't use anymore because it's stuck. It came with a foundation base coat and a top coat, and these are pretty well sized. I have no complaints about those. They're very helpful. It came with the brush to take off the file. It also came with UV gel, which I personally have not used because I'm not a huge fan of UV gel, but it did come with quite a few little pads that would be helpful. It also came with a cuticle remover and acrylic clippers. Next, I want to show you guys a few things that I had to purchase on my own. I bought 2 Dappin' dishes, one I use for my monomer and one I use for my brush cleaner, and a brush size 8, a brush cleaner, which is super important, a buffer, gel polish remover clips. I also bought a UV LED lamp, which comes with the settings of 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 90 seconds. Also, no lint wipes, monomer, Mia Secret acrylic powder. You also need rubbing alcohol if you do gel nails. A e-file with drill bits, and it also comes with 100 sanding band. I also bought clear acrylic nail, matte gel polish, cuticle oil, gel glossy top coat, and foundation, nail glue, and a design kit. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see more, please like and subscribe.